So guys, I just reach in. Reach in. I wanted to start off this vlog for you guys. Today is the Black Friday epic sale. My God, I want to be like up here. Like literally, I seem happy. Yes, I'm happy because I got a lot of crutches. Crutches in my house. My house look brand new. Yeah. But the sad thing is, you know, remember the last vlog I said I'm not gonna do no cleaning. My face looks sweaty. I'm just reaching. I'm not gonna wash my face yet. My last vlog gonna hear me say, oh, I'm not gonna do any cleaning. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do that. Yes, I did plan. I need to do none of that. And we can split out right now. So it's not a secret anymore, guys. I was going to move. I was supposed to move into a brand new apartment where we are the first people that go live there. I mean, the apartment up to there, the kitchen did fancy, everything did just nice. Until the man called us back to say that bad news, some situation go on, happen, whatever, and we are not going to be able to get the apartment anymore. I said the man is like him lit me for 6 me, I tell you, because I'm so excited to leave. Listen, few vlogs ago, I was hotty man. Few vlogs ago, I did that telling me say, I finally get my next piece of my black couch where I can put in my house. So if it fit, so it would have been this house, because I must say it can't go all in this living room here. It can't go all in here. I don't know what me I gonna do. Me still I go there, so. Well, look at good news. I'm gonna look for my next place. That the place is nice too. Only thing is that it don't have no wash area. Some machines still have to go in the bathroom. That me not like that because I could pull up a space. So in that case, probably, and that the bathroom is smaller, only thing is more fancy. The machine now got one, so probably, and then it come with a veranda. So hopefully the machine can work on the veranda. And may I try to speak this place into being, because this first place was a disappointment. I don't want this a new place, and then this place too, when I go, it brand new. Nobody never live in there. Them just a fix it up, just a make it. It was just made, and them just a put in nice. And me I tell her, so me I put my fingers crossed. So me no want to listen to me news and then go say what me get it. Pray for me get it too, because me need to fix up my house. Remember the TV to come down. I still have to take it down because I still want my new couch in here. Them two little couch here I can stretch out now. Them yes, my place chaka Amazon box. All of the things that I carry from this the bathroom, I pull it down. So all of the towel and this, all of the bag that I'm carrying from Black Friday. I buy one rug in there. So yeah, my house chaka. I'm not afraid to show no. I buy one brand new rug for the living room. To change out the one I buy from last year Christmas. All of them things there. But I tell you are planning, and in this case them say people are planning our God away. No, I don't think it was God. I think the devil just wipe it out. I was so excited to go to this new place. Regardless, I still clean and change it all I'm current them, even though I need to do it. This was not the initial design that I was going to go for. I purchased every single thing in navy blue and white. That was the decor that I was going for. Navy blue and white with gold, a touch of gold. I buy every single thing I order from Amazon. I have Amazon boxes coming in like trouble. This is one of them, and the one Amazon bag, the kind I pull already, me tie it up. Yes, and a panty, the man think a panty this. Just headband here. The place is just a mess. So I forgot to do the big Christmas clean when me that run from. Anyways, me again on the Black Friday. In this vlog here, cause I know me shot one vlog. From me put up the last vlog the weekend ago. So I'm gonna show you every single thing that I purchased. Black Friday sale. I purchased so many things. Listen. From yesterday, I forgot to listen, and I never remember. Yes, the towel. I find out to put the towel on the door. Come buy the towel hook for putting in the bathroom. My sad people. I didn't want to go to the new place. I'm ugly. I did really want to go to the new place, you know. I did really want to go to the new place. So when the man called and tell me, he called us, he may come in person because he never want to over the phone. When the man tell, it's like the man lick me for 6. Come here, tell you, whenever I see this new place, whenever like for the people that are rent and them buy house and all them things. When you're like, you see this new place, you're not moving there, you know, but you're moving your whole of your furniture already. Like literally. So me imagine, oh, I'm gonna put my bed, oh, I'm gonna put my TV. It was such a sad news. Yeah, that's do what I have to do still, however. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys the Black Friday all in this. I still am a fashion. Yeah, I take my fashion over. Come, I want fashion over all. To do buy fashion over things to Black Friday. I spend all of my pay as I get paid money though. Like literally. Alright, so I fix up time. I come home to fix up the bathroom. I spray down with bleach before my left. And I come home up and be if my back food come give me. Yes, so that I go in the belly tonight. And me I go work and clean up the bathroom. Come buy all of the things them for going in the bathroom. So I go wash my face, kinda clean up, relax, then showing all of the cockroaches them on my wire. Alright, so stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. Yes, I'm gonna look darker now because I'm in the kitchen. Babe, come back with the box food. Darky. Wash my face also. Like again on my face. Alright, however. So babe come back with the food. Well, me never come home come see it. So box food, chicken and chips from one restaurant down here in Pfirrman. The my fries are fry and plum long time and like them get stale, saggy, and then drop them back in the hot oil or microwave it. This is microwaved. Let's see if I see where this here. No man. My fries are microwave and put them in the microwave. They were fried long time. And then just warm them in the microwave. Look at this. I'm going to kill my son. I'm going to eat it. So, tomorrow I will be going somewhere. So tomorrow you guys will get a vlog. If after today I'm going to be so excited. I don't know all of that after. After that, good things will happen to me. Like, good things. Like, yesterday was the start of like, even though I'm sad about not getting a new place, the man understand what I say because I'm not chat my business full like that, but I still talk. Yesterday something like happened and I was so excited because I was waiting on it for so long and then it finally happened. And then this is like just the end, the beginning of good life. Yeah. I find that more. I really want to move out to this place. Like, I need somewhere with more ventilation. Somewhere, you know them vibe there. Like, yeah. You just need somewhere with more ventilation. That's one thing. My furniture is in my mall up. So because of that, me have to shine furniture like them set me shine furniture. Brand new table I buy. Every minute me have to shine it. I can't be bothered. I can't be bothered. Yeah, that's the truth. But me there I chat I'm hungry and my things are get cold. Yeah. I really want more mental so the man let me fix me and chilling up people. I say it didn't want in space. It make me feel like a ball literally like a cry right now. Like look, my eye them get red. My feeling man. You don't think somebody licked me? Like man, it disappoint me big time. When you not tell me and I say, wow, I'm so disappointed. Feeling, you know? I'm feeling. I love pretty place. Like I love, like when I was just coming here, I was so happy. I was so excited. It was just a whole heap of excitement all around moving around here. Because if you remember, the first place I come from, like when we did rent, when me did a college in last year, you know, that place was not the best. It was okay, but it was not the best. So, and then because we grew up in a good proper house, my yard, good proper put together house, so I really wanted to move. And then when I got this place, it was just like such a thing that it come like a heaven did come down for me. Now because I've been here, like it's not that, because me there almost like, so next year come be 2 years. Next year July gonna be 2 years. Someone far, not true, but then 1 year and some months. But because coming here, we did not have all this furniture, and now that we are here, we are growing and we are getting more stuff. So this place, it no longer accommodates all of the things that we have, like, and me want more things. That just me that me can't resist myself from buying new things. So hey, and guys, I started my Pinterest account. You need to go follow me on Pinterest, because your girl is going to be dropping all these nice decoration, like anything I decorate in the house. Oh, cool. There's no way this fries is fresh, and the clothes are quick. Not only from when go, it takes like 2 minutes to come back here. So. If I so long. So they made it at the microwave and serve people. But what I see now is you can make whatever next stone, whatever. That's it. I can't move faster than the situation is. I have to wait on it to evolve. So I am just praying and hoping that this new place, it is like just the breakthrough and just something to uplift my spirit. Like, anyways, I eat my food and then make sure that it's gonna buy for Black Friday. We didn't want to can up on the road and can all the store them and everything, but it was too much hustling and bustling, too much bag and pan. Me I walk with one on my shoulder, then they don't get some, me I have one over, yeah. So I'll show you guys what I got after I'm finished having my chicken and chips. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so the first thing I got was this rug. I'm not sure of what's the length here. I'm not sure. However, this is it, length of it, and see the color there, what kind of the inner of it, color there, inner it and all of that. So yeah, I bought it at the same store that I bought the one that is there now. This was $9,785 with discount. I think I got it for $8,000 something. Yeah, I got these decorative sticks to put in some vase and so forth. Each of it was $3.90. I think I got some discount on it that made it to about $3.40 each or something like that. I got 2 of it. Yeah, the taxi man to me now, why I never just beg him bush cut something for me, I beg him a little money. Listen, I just try to man make some things to draw your attention, you know, trust me. I got this laundry bag because the one I currently have, it is kind of old. This was about $900, but they did not have this one in the plastic. Like, may I try showing without the corrosive showing in the back. Actually, I never said, but I want to see how I try to replace me. Alright, so they did not have this one in the new plastic and all that. This was the one they had on display. So I tell the lady, because it was dusty and all of that. Nah, sure now, because the girl did a good job to dust off some of it. So I tell the lady, so listen, this is the one to pull out, you know, and dust and everybody touch it. So I want it for good money. So it was $900 and she gave me for $500. Not bad. Come on, crocus bag though. The things that we buy. Like what? Yeah, it's the weather is nice today. Wash day and all of them something upon it. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna show this part. I'm gonna turn it on. I don't know. So there was a good sale on Scott tissue. So it's buy 4 you get 2 free. So you buy these 4 you get 2 free. It was $347 for the 6. That is a very good price. Let me tell you how much now I get one for. Let me check it and tell you. You get one for $58. That was a good price because Tissy now sell a shop again for $58, much less the Scott one. But remember when the me come out, one of you scented Tissy because it's not good for vagina and all of them someday. You guys remember that? Well, I like my bathroom smelling good, and these help enhance the scent of your bathroom. If at anywhere it have to go, something must carry us to the grave. So I just saw it go. You understand? Them just always come up with something to like stop people's customer flow and income, and I'm not saying no go say no, but you know, yeah. So I was able to get 3 packs. I was gonna get more, but good price now. I should get more, but yeah, so I go. I only got 3 packs. So in this bag I got this. I'm gonna put it and show you. I was able to pick up these things in Azans. I like these stuff. It's like, you see, if you have like the the harky to itself without the vase bottom, it's like you can make it. So if you get the flowers itself like these, then you can make your own and put this on the bottom and create the one like what I have in the kitchen. So I don't remember what's the price on these. Them kind of, it's about $300 or something for one, and the one at about $600. Them kind of pricey for a piece of garbage, but yeah. I got this vase jar, whatever you call this. Yeah. And I got another vase here. I'm going to put in the bathroom. This one is for the bathroom as well. I got this on sale because they had 50% off entire store in Azans. I don't remember, but yeah. So I got this toilet paper holder. I had a white one, but it broke. I got this for a good price. I think this was $1,020, $50, somewhere there, or $5. This now was 400 and something, I think. After the sale go on it. This for the quality something here. This yeah. It worth it. It worth it. Yeah. Got this up the store the store that I purchased these wall art in. Yeah, as well as this. And I bought this little toilet thing because every time I buy the one that you throw in the bowl, by the time you put it in there, you flush 3 times, it melts out. It's not worth it. So let's see if this one, yeah, this one will last a little longer because only time the bathroom flush. Water around that is the only time, but you know the other one, it did the water permanently, so it is going to melt out. It was $100 and something for one. I only buy one because I want to see how long it lasts, but I got it for probably about $90. Good price, very very good price. Where's my buy? When I bought this bathroom mat, the color or the end can't carry it, so me have to go whip him over and back for make him know say, listen, make sure your foot bottom clean before you're going to the bathroom. And I bought this to go with it too, because the shower curtain, as many said before, our shower curtain I'm used already. I'm gonna reuse it, guys, because we never plan to buy new mat. Me that look one new one. I never seen none, but I'm not gonna stress myself because I had it up like for a short time. Not even remember somebody have it up, but if going through the rest of the holiday and me find one nice gold one, I can replace it, or something me find replace it, I will replace it. But however, I'm going to use it back for now. Where's my buy? And then I bought this this, you call this now, I don't know how to describe this thing, you know. It's like, it's a thing that I'm going to, it's like a table, but not a table. It's like, what do you call this? I don't remember. It's like a standard I don't think it is big enough. Maybe I could have put the towel in there and it look like it's big enough. Because I have the towel and some things I need to take. It just look tacky. I don't want it done anymore. This was $3,500. The original price was $4,500, so $1,000 discount. That was good. Not to me buy. And that would be it. When I fit up this, I'll let you guys see it. But seeing that, I probably go out of my way to buy some things to do a bathroom redo I never planned for. I probably might give like a little tour of it or whatever, seeing that I buy so much roaches for it. So roaches, yes, so much roaches I never planned to buy. So that would be everything that I purchased for the Black Friday sale. Knowing me, I'm gonna watch his side tomorrow. I'm gonna watch his side it, anything when I see what catch my eye. And my money that gone again. Yes, that's a mistake. I like a pretty house. And this is one thing too. Yesterday I called my kitchen. I want to get my kitchen to a place where it's far off, because I was planning the new place I was getting. I was not going to like use, if I was going to use curtain, it would have been some short drapes, but I was planning to add blinds on all of my window to get that, because it would have been the glass window, the slide ones. So I was going to add blinds there to give that, you know, the foreign effect there. Your blinds, and you have a light sheer curtain. So if like, you know, you open the window now, the light will come in when night come, you lock the blinds and give the darkness and nothing. Yeah, but I just say it go. Now I'm gonna do a plan that. I'm just praying and hope that the other place that I went to go and look on, it works out for me. God, I'll put it in charge of it. So guys, that would be it for this vlog. That's my little Black Friday haul. I no longer sit out hook up and door. It is very tacky, but because me and Odi want to live here, I'm not pick me, I'm not husband, well, I'm not husband, kind of married to me yet. So yeah, I'm not pick me. I'm not nobody come on my yard. I just me and Odi one in here. If somebody come, I will not take it down, but permanently it's not gonna be there anymore. Me know it tacky. Me know it. Now me I do vlog. Me normally take it down, but me not take it down because it not gonna do it anymore. That's just me being really here. So guys, that would be it for this vlog. I will see you guys in the next video. I would love if you guys could put your ideas down, something that I could do for Vlogmas, something that you would really want to see for Vlogmas. I have some ideas coming. Vlogmas intro, I'm not do it yet. I don't want to use like the old intro. I did want to add leave all of that ranting for the next vlog. Guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I am going to head out right now. I'm gonna clean the bathroom now, get it done, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bye.